Hey guys, Adam the Paranormal Polynesian here. How are you today? If you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find videos of cemetery tours, haunted locations, travel. We'll make food together. We'll tell stories. But today, we're going to visit a haunted art museum. Yay! Not just any art museum, the Springville Museum of Art here in Springville, Utah. I just moved down the street. It's like 2 seconds from my house. So I don't know the story of the ghosts. I do know it's haunted. Just because when you see it, you'll be like, why the hell wouldn't it be haunted? Today I'm going to give you a little culture. We're going to go walk around this museum, and it's a very, very big place. So I'm just going to walk through half of it with you today, and I'm going to try my best to just not talk. I'm just going to walk around with the camera so you can see the art and enjoy it. So I'm going to try and shut my mouth. But this museum's really cool. Did you know that this museum, the Springville Museum of Art, was built during the Great Depression? So in 1935, the town of Springville raised $100,000 during the Depression to construct this facility that we're going to. It was built in 1937. It's a beautiful example of like a Spanish Revival, Art Deco kind of building. I love that architecture. And the best part of all is this museum is free. It's 100% free to visit. So I'm gonna go back more often, and I might even put some art of my own in this place. Stay tuned for that. But for now, sit back, relax, and let me take you on a tour of the Springville Museum of Art. I'm gonna try my best to not talk during this, just because it's a museum and I don't want to be talking, but I can't promise I'm gonna shut my mouth the whole time, because I've got opinions sometimes. You know what I'm saying? But this Springville Museum of Art is absolutely free to come to, which is awesome. It's a huge, beautiful museum. So Art Deco. I love Art Deco. Well, Spanish Revival. It's all kind of the same thing. It's from the same time frame. But let's go inside and take a look. It's a painting of a painting. How meta. If you guys do like videos of tours of museums and things like this, be sure to give that thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And also be sure to stay to the very end to see who my favorite woman in history is. Can you guess? Any guesses? The color on this painting is spectacular. Spectacular. Does this contraption remind anyone else of Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? And my real question that I have is, can this thing make me fried eggs in the morning and wake me up? Because if you can do that, sir, you can come home with me. Oh, hello, sir. Hello. And I don't know what this is, but I would 100% hang it in my bathroom. Yep, the downstairs bathroom. Let's see what this outdoor sculpture garden is all about. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. I could throw a party out here. I hear the museum does rent out the place for parties. So, if my husband's watching this, my 40th is coming up. You just need to hire a bartender and get a lot of alcohol. We're gonna need a lot. Shoot, this is nice. Ooh, this one's amazing. Okay, what kind of Hogwarts is this? This isn't creepy at all. This isn't creepy at all. Oh dear. Do you have to die to be in this hallway? That's what I want to know. Are all these people dead? I think they're dead. And you know this guy hammered his wife to death after this portrait was done. You just know it. Actually, I wonder which one of these is the new Supreme. Is it you, ma'am? It's definitely... Oh, it could be this one. He's fed up. He's like, I'm fed up. That's pretty. Yep, that's definitely the new Supreme right there. Can you get a word over to Jessica Lange for me and tell her to come back to American Horror Story? Because it's a damn mess. Very neat. Definitely makes me want to have Red Lobster real bad. It's so big, you guys. It's so big. Love it, love it, love it. Gotta have it. Love it. Love that look. This one gives me anxiety. I do like it though. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I'd put that in my house. Yeah, I would. Okay. Let's look at this Women in History exhibit. It's really quite neat. Let's see. What woman in your life has positively influenced you? Oh, this is a no-brainer. Uno momento, ma'am. Bitty bitty bum bum. But seriously, this exhibit, which is actually titled Utah Women Making History, it features Utah artist Brooke Smart, and she illustrates Utah women and a few men who work to advocate for women and advance their communities. For more information, visit utahwomenshistory.org. It's hard to show you the detail of all of these in the video, so please come down to the museum and check it out for yourself. Again, it's free to come here. I think we're going to wrap up the video here. I'll see how you guys like this museum tour, and if you did, we'll do the second half in the next week or so. So, that's going to do it for me. My name's Adam, your host, your ghost host, and thanks for watching. And remember, keep it paranormal.